much coughing in the airport. You know what they gonna think. People racist as shit. You better not cough a little bit. you know, you know people ain't racist, but they racist. You better not snuckle or nothing. That's a snuckle, I think. Ain't that what a snuckle is? I'll throw you right in quarantine.